Hey guys, welcome back. Hopefully you did okay with your guided practice and your answers were correct. Well, we're going to take a look how a square and rectangle can be broken up into something that we call a composite figure. So if you can see that right here, my rectangle and square can be broken up. And from the properties that we identified in day one of a square and a rectangle, we can see that this is our square and this is our rectangle. Opposite sides are parallel. All four angles are the same length. And my square, I have all of my sides are the same length for my little tick marks here. I'm going to continue on. Go ahead and take out your notebook at this time and get ready to complete guided practice on page 135 in your student book. And when you are finished with that, I'm going to ask that you complete your Let's Practice on page 137. Go ahead and complete numbers 1 through 11 to the best of your ability. I understand that questions 8 through 11 are asking you to draw this on grid paper. Just try your best. See if you can just identify where you would be able to split it up. Even if it's just with your finger on your actual screen, that is fine. So I'm going to go back to the answer key in our student book that I have for you. Let's get this guy out of the way. So this is your answers for 15 and 16. Oh, put this on pause first to complete your work and then come back and look at the answers. And then here's your Let's Practice. So here are the answers. Feel free to put me on pause to view your answers and then go ahead and unpause it to hit play again to finish viewing your answers. When you are finished, I am going to ask that you go ahead and complete workbook pages 73 through 76. I will show you the answers for them. There's page 73. Once again, put it on pause to check your answers. The answers for page 74. The answers for page 75 and the answers for page 76. Once again, as you're checking your answers for each page, pause me and then hit play again once you are finished. I am going to continue on and show you a website that I find to be purposeful as well as very valuable for all of my mathematicians. When you are finished with your workbook, I am going to ask that you go ahead and go to iexcel.com. I'm going to walk you through this so you can see exactly what I am doing. So iExcel is a great program that we used to have that unfortunately we no longer have a membership to. However, due to everything that is going on, it is now free. You do not have to sign in. You do not have to be a member. Go ahead and click on the learning link. Click on math. And what's awesome about this is that you can choose that to do any grade that you want. Clearly, you're not going to go under third grade, but if you want to challenge yourself, and if you want to try a fifth grade skill, go for it. If you want to try a sixth grade skill, go for that. Now, I checked on fourth grade, and there's nothing currently just specifically on squares and rectangles. We do have areas and perimeters of squares and rectangles, but we are not going to cover that content until we get to chapter 12. So I decided to check out something on fifth grade. Now, in class, we were talking about exponents one day, and I found something in fifth grade dealing with exponents. So if you go to, where is it? Section A on exponents, understanding exponents in fifth grade, I thought this would be a great place to start. So if you click on the link, understanding exponents, 29 seconds I have. Okay, 1 to the first power is just going to be 1 times 1. 1 times 1 we know is 1. You click on the 1, you hit submit. It says great job, and it's going to take you through until you get to 100%. So which of the following is equivalent to 1? Well, 2 to the second power is 2 times 2, which is 4, so it can't be that. 1 to the first power is 1 times 1.